How to remove card from Apple Pay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your card from Apple Pay. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add or remove card from Apple Pay, you might be trying to open the Apple Wallet application, but you're not finding option to remove the card. That is because you don't want to do it from the Wallet app itself. Instead, you want to head over to your Settings app. Once you head over to your Settings app, you simply want to look for the option called Wallet and Apple Pay. Sometimes it could be written Wallet, sometimes it could be written Apple Pay. So it's inside your system preferences. You want to make sure to tap on it. And if you've added any sort of card over here, you'll find a list of those cards in this case. And then once you've added those cards, then you should be able to successfully go ahead and then remove those cards respectively. If you want to add card, then you can just tap the add card option that you can find them over here. Now, this is basically it on how you can remove your card from Apple Pay. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.